Sweden, you can support their independence.
Woohoo!
I don't have the strength to help them get their independence.
No, but we can all support their independence.
Yes, but you're in the goddamn. Oh my god! Everything about you annoys me.
I will make them.
Dukey, they won't let other people join who they think can't help them. You dickhole.
Will they accept your support of independence?
No, because they hate me.
Oh. We'll make them like you then.
Oh.
I don't understand your issue. I guess that's the base of this problem. I'm not sure.
Dukey, you piece of garbage, shut your fucking mouth.
I guess at the root of it, I just don't understand the problem.
Dukey, the reason is because you're garbage at this game, god damn it.
Wow, that was rude.
Oh, sorry, I just got my ass eaten out by Muscovy.
Everyone else heard my plan and was like, yeah, that's a good plan.
Yeah, and then you made Hungary lose 3 stability in one go!
Well, Hungary should have understood what was going to happen.
You should have paused the game and called them in when Ragusa was there.
Fuck. There goes my army again!
His army's dead again!
You still hit separatists! It's fucking Muslims! Muslims just came to me through fucking Austria and killed my army! They're fucking running east! They're in Poland! Are you fucking kidding? They just killed my army and ran into Poland, the bastards! They're from Castile as well! Castile! Now the Poles are gonna kill him! How can they say this deal with their own rebels?
I don't have ears.
Fucking Austria!
What are you guys laughing at? Someone who can breathe, please.
Hang on.
Someone who can breathe, explain to me what's happening.